In this video, we will going to discuss about the isX string methods. Along with is lower and is upper, there are several string methods have names beginning with the word is. These methods returns a boolean value that describes the nature of the string. Here are some common isX string methods. Is_alpha method returns true if the string consists only of letters and is not blank. Alpha means what? It is the alphabet, which is a letter, and is not blank. There is no blank in the strings. Is or num method returns true if the string consists only of alphabets and numbers and is not blank. Similarly, is decimal method returns true if the string consists only of numeric characters like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and is not blank. Is space method returns true if the string consists only of spaces, tabs and new lines and is not blank. Is title returns true if the string consists only of words that begins with an uppercase letter followed by only lowercase letters. For example, if you consider example is hello. Hello is what? It is the string because it is within single quotes. Is alpha. Is alpha means what? It should contain only alphabets or letters and is not blank. Yes, it is not blank. So print X, it is true. Similarly, X equals hello 1, 2, 3 dot is alpha. Is alpha means what? It should consisting of only letters and blanks and not blanks. So here it is consisting of letters. Yes. 1, 2, 3. So condition is true. Is alpha consists of only letters and is not blank. So here what is happening? It is consisting of hello 1, 2, 3. Here it is consisting of alphabets, that is letters, and also numbers, that is decimals 1, 2, 3. But it does not have blank. But is alpha, what is the definition? Is alpha means it should contain only alphabets without blank. Here it is consisting of alphabets and numbers without blank. So obviously it should be false. Similarly, X is equal to hello 1, 2, 3 dot is all num. What is the definition of is all num? That is wherein it should consist of letters and numbers without blank. So you can see here, whatever it is there in single quotes is a string. So we are comparing that. We are considering that. Here it consisting of characters, that is hello, that is all alphabets, and 1, 2, 3 is the number. Num is also there without space. Therefore, the condition is true. Output is true. Similarly, X equals within string 1, 2, 3 dot is decimal. So what is decimal says? It should contain only numbers without blank. So print X is true. Then X is equal to, you have within quotes, you give some spaces, dot is space method. Yes, print X. You have only conditions of spaces, and you can consider tabs also, and you can consider next line. So but here it is consisting of spaces, so the print X is condition is true. Similarly, X is equal to, T is the capital and this word E, this is small letters, is title. I is again capital and this is small. Title, again you have T is capital and all other characters are small. Case, C is capital, A is C, all other characters are small. What it should say is title, that it should contain the word starting with the starting character should be capital and the rest of the characters should be small letters. Since it is satisfying this definition, therefore condition is true. Similarly, this is title case 1, 2, 3 is title. So here the condition is true because this character starts with the capital letters. And here you can see this is not title case dot is title. The condition becomes false because here not n should be capital if the condition has to be satisfied. Since it is starting character is a small letter, therefore it doesn't come under is title. Therefore it becomes false. Now this is not title case either dot is title. This is the entire thing is in single quote. It is the string. Is title means first character should start with a capital letter. T is okay, I is okay. Here not is a word wherein all the letters are capitals. But title okay, fine, T is capital. Case is also okay because C either, which is E is capital, I, T, H, E, R are small letter. Dot is title. No, the condition is false. The isX string methods are helpful when you need to validate user input, when it is going to be helpful. For example, the following program repeatedly asks the user for the age and a password until they provide the valid input. So while the condition is true, print enter your age. So this is going into the infinite loop. Enter your age. So what I will do, age I will going to give the input. What is the age is equal to input? I will say input is 42. I am writing in string, small letters. 42 is input. If age dot is decimal is asking. So what is decimal? Whatever you enter in this age, that should contain only numbers but without space. So here the age what you have given in the input is a string. So if age is decimal, the condition is false. Therefore, please enter, it won't go to this, it comes to this. Please enter a number for your age because it is a print statement. You are going to get print enter a number for your age. So again it goes back. Why it goes back? Because you are in a loop, while loop. Print enter your age. I am entering your age. What is that? 42 input. Age is equal to 42. So if age is decimal, yes, because 42 what you are entered is a decimal, only decimal. You don't have any other number. So it will breaks. Break means what? It will comes out. And it will comes out of the program itself. Next again, while true. So here once it breaks, here while true it comes to this because we are already there. While true, print, select a new password, letters and numbers only. It will go to print this statement here. Once you do that, password is equal to input. What I am doing is I am giving a password now. So what is the password? SECR3T exclamatory mark. Select a new password, letters and numbers only. But unfortunately, we have considered this exclamatory mark also. It doesn't come under letters and numbers. Once you give that, if password dot is all num, it's checking now. What is the password? The password is SECR3T. Okay. And you have an exclamatory mark. This is important, you can see. This is observed here. It is not all numeric because it should contain what it should contain in all numeric. It should be alphabet and numbers. But in this case, you have an exclamatory mark also. So since this condition, so if password is all numeric, no. So it won't come to this. It will comes to passwords can only have letters and numbers. So it comes to this now. Done. Okay, it comes to this. So again it goes back. It will goes back. So because while the condition is true here, it's in the infinite loop. So once it doesn't satisfy, since it is not satisfying this, so again it goes back. Select a new password, letters and numbers only. So what we will do, SCCR3T we are entering. Password, SCCR3T input. Is password is all numeric? Yes, because you have characters and numbers only. Then it will going to break the loop here itself. So it comes out. So calling is decimal and is all num on variables, we are able to test whether the values stored in those variables are decimal or not. Alpha numeric or not. Here these tests help us reject the input 42 and accept 42 and reject SCCR3T exclamatory mark and accept SCCR3T. So this is how you will be able to explain the concept of isX strings. Now we will try to execute this by using our program. So here I will take this. X is equal to hello, comma, that is all alpha is ALFP. Print X. So one should do that. Condition is true. Next. Then in the second case, hello 1 2 3 is alpha. Hello 1 2 3 is alphabet. Okay, yes, true. False, because you have only letters and without space. Here 1 2 3 is the number you are entering, therefore it is wrong, so it gives false. Then hello 1 2 3 is all numeric. AL NUM on num, yes. Hello 1 2 3 alphabet and numbers. Condition is true. Yes, the condition is true. Now we come to this. 1 2 3 is decimal. Just 1 2 3 is decimal. Decimal, yes, condition is true because only numbers it is there. Then is space, is space, condition is true. Yes, condition is true. This is title case. This is THI is TITLE case. This is title case dot is title. Condition is true. Okay. The next thing is this is case 1 2 3 is title true. 1 2 3 is title, condition is true. Yes. Then we have this is not title case. This is small not, not title case. Condition is false because it is only n should be capital here. It should be like this. Then only it will be true. Now you can see it is true. Next is this is not title case either, is title. This is not title case either. Condition is false. Okay, the condition is false. Is the recital is extremely helpful to check the user input. Now we will consider this program, how to execute this. While the condition is true, now while condition is true, then we want to print, enter your age, print, enter your age, print, enter your age, then age is equal to input. Okay, then if age dot is decimal, if the condition is true, then break, because there you should cancel it. Correct? Is break. Print, please enter a number for your age. Print, enter a number for your age. Okay, then while true, while the condition is true, print, select a new password. Print, select a new password within bracket, letters and numbers only, letters and number only. Okay, one should do that. Then password is equals, I want to give the input. What is the input? That we will see. Then if password is, password dot is all numeric, is all numeric, is all num, then you break. Otherwise, print, password can only print, password can only be letters and numbers. Okay, full stop. Now we will try to execute this. So enter your age. I will say 42. Enter a number for your age. Enter a number. Enter a number for your age. Then enter your age. So I will say 42. Then select a new password, letters and numbers only, SECR 3T and exclamatory mark. Sorry. Enter your age 42. Then I will say 42 SECR 3T exclamatory mark. Then password can only be letters and numbers. Select a new password. So here I will say SECR 3T. So that will going to be your password. Now we are going to try to check how it will going to be executed by using the function, like step by step. So first I will go for this. I will try to enter your age. So age is, I will say 42. Then I will enter. Is age is decimal? No. So it won't execute this. It comes to enter a number for your age. It will go to print. Since it is an infinite loop, again it goes back. It goes back while the condition is true. Enter your age. So I am going to enter your age. So it gives the input. I will say 42 because number. Enter your age. It should be number only. Enter a number for your age. That's what we are given. Enter a number for your age. So age, I have given the input. Once I give the input, again enter. Is age is decimal? Yes, the condition is true. So it breaks this. It comes to this, it breaks. Then it comes to this. While the condition is true, Select a new password, letters and numbers. So what is the letters and numbers you want? SECR3T exclamatory mark. So password, I want to give the input SECR3T, then I will give exclamatory mark. Sorry. Okay, SECR3T, then exclamatory mark, then enter. His password is all numeric. So here alpha and alphabets and numbers you should have, but you have exclamatory mark also. So it is checking. No, again it comes out of this. It won't go to this. Again, password can only be letters and numbers. So again, since it is an infinite loop, again it goes to this. It won't go to this. Comes to this. Select a new password. Then the password I should give the input. What I will give? SECR3T. I don't give exclamatory mark now. I will enter it. So password is alphanumeric. Yes. So it comes to this now. Breaks and comes out of the command prompt. So this is how you will be able to execute this program of how to use the numbers and also how to set the both the password for having the alphabets and numbers. In our next video, we will going to talk about the justification, how I can use the justifications while entering the strings in Python program. Thank you.